I'm just belt up kiddo. But basically boys, we're back in Bradford. Last time you lot said I came at the wrong time and it was boring. I didn't see Bradford to its true potential, even though we saw this. Whoa! 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 Fucking hell. But this time we've come in a black VW Golf, so we're blending. We even got the engine light on, so we're gonna experience Bradford today properly. Apparently I missed out. Car almost got written off. And I'm not even trying to be one of them dramatic comments like, oh, we almost crashed. We almost crashed, innit? Whoa! But it's just before 8 PM. I wanted to come at like 3, 4 AM, but can't really film in the dark because my camera doesn't, you basically can't see anything. But while it's summer, this is next best thing. While it's still a bit light. The ramming tools, I've seen a few S3s. So we must be in Bradford now. And I'm gonna put my armrest up because it was pretty relaxed last time, apart from that little incident, which I can't seem to get out of my head. Whoa! It was a decent driving experience. Oh. See, I hate it when they do that. They cut in like they're in such a hurry, but then they hit 20 on a 30. But that could have been anywhere. That's got nothing to do with Bradford. So let's just carry on, let's continue. Might be talking a little bit less today, that's because I'm trying to capture the true experience. I say that, I probably won't shut up the whole video. See, stuff like that, where there's bare flowers and everywhere, that you only get that in community focused areas. I feel like there's good community here. Also, I got some new locations. Last time I went to the wrong Leeds Road, so we're gonna try and correct that today, go to the proper Leeds Road. And I also ain't even got the rest of the camera angles today, can't be asked. Most channels enhance the budget as they go along. I just can't be asked. It's a bit sunny, sorry about that. Literally nothing I can do. Why don't you just be happy that we're getting some vitamin D in, we're getting a tan. Everyone in Bradford already got a tan, but why don't you just be happy that it's sunny? About complaining about the sun, shut up. Cuzzy, I'm on Leeds Road, you mad basket. The potholes. Oh fuck, no, man. That was my survival guide. Cuzzy, where's my phone? Cuzzy, where's your house? Bear with me innit, boys. Car channel. My ass. This is meant to be tight, bro. Why is it loose? I know we're adapting to the environment of Bradford, but you know that's broken, we're screwed. Because you're not allowed to use your phone while driving, and so we won't be able to do this video. You think I can just sniff out Leeds Road? I should work at Quick Fit, innit? Well, at least I emphasised how bad the potholes is. So far it's been a bad experience, but nothing to do with Bradford. Bradford's alright. I need to go up here. Well, location number 1. Sorry, that was a bit Bradford of me. Wondering why I'm going so slow on the bumps. It's because some twat has lowered my car so much. How do you not get your RS3s and your front splitters on these bumps? I genuinely don't know, because it is stress. Yo, the A3 got off. Alright, no more. You know, it's when you see another one doing it, you've got self-control, bro. We need to work on it. That's naughty parking, I can't lie. Damn, they must actually have a parking issue here, bro. Q3's hopped on it as well. We didn't do many narrow streets last time, so here we go. But I kind of don't want a car to come the other way because there's nowhere for me to like pull into. I was expecting a car, not a bloke. Oh, yo. Nah, I thought he was gonna... I thought, what am I supposed to do? Oh, shit. Nah, this is a mission, bro. There's actually no space for anything here. Yo, why is this guy back? Nah, this guy's a driver, you know. You know about how many inches he leaves between... You know what I mean? Driver, genuine stick. The real sticks, they're not in the Golf Rs, the GTIs, nothing, bro. They're in the Suzuki, the Suzuki, mate. Well, cuzzies, we're on the Leeds Road. The real Leeds Road. People should treat us normally today because I ain't got cameras glued around everywhere. You can see cameras on my car last time. I deeped that when I got home. Unless it is genuinely a good place to drive. Famous Leeds Road, eh? Not much going on, bro. Am I gonna have to make conversation to keep you watching? This is the Leeds Road you lot were on about, innit? Because this is not the other Leeds Road. So this is... Got some cuzzies here. Have a little girly gossip. Cuzzy, I'm on Leeds Road. I'm actually on Leeds Road in my Golf. Is that my man again? Bro, he's a stick, bro. He's just practicing his skills. Bro, that sign, just said submit your bad driving footage to the council. Saying, boy, should we submit mine? Wait, clock the speed cameras there. Let me take a picture. The speed cameras are having a car meet, mate. We might have lost one of the cuzzies. Oh shit, been a crash. Go there. I need backdated insurance. Rapid. Where's all the shenanigans at? Let's stalk this Yaris for a bit. Let's see where we end up. Oh, that was clean, bro. Ah, this is... Bro, me and him both, we're sick at the bombs. Oh, he mastered that bomb. That was smooth, bro. Me and him are on the grind. Does anyone else love doing this? Trying to clear the speed? Oh, nah. Ah, Fez. Fine, that's 1-all. I'm gonna keep it in third. That's how confident I am. Okay. That was smooth. Yeah, we're not making that one. That's 2-all now. He fumbled, I reckon. Didn't even feel it, mate. 2-3. Woo! What a game. Ah, go there. I'm on Leeds Road. I must have brought the weather back with them. You see what he did there? Fumbled the indicator. Went from the indicator, flagged the high beat. See what I did there, bro? Fumbled looking forward. No, you know where we're visiting, if I remember correctly. I think it was here. Yeah, it was here, bro. That's where I nearly died. Whoa. Oh. Hello.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
What you doing?
Who is that?
Oh, you're never gonna know, are you?
What are you saying, brother?
What you doing?
Wait, you from up north?
Yeah.
Bro, whereabouts you from? You from Leeds?
No, don't live near there.
Fuck, man.
No, still there, no.
What, whereabouts you, what, you from nearby?
Yeah, Fleetwood area.
Bro, I'm in Bradford. Bro, actually introduce yourself, innit? Who are ya?
What you talking about? Who am I?
Bro, you're on a no caller ID. You prank calling me and having a general conversation. What, you got a reason of calling me? You just here for a chitty chat?
I'm genuinely just here. So I'm a normal conversation, yeah, and I should go into Manchester for a video.
Nah, bro, I'm not near Manchester, bro. I'm about an hour away.
When are you gonna be down there?
I don't know, you know. I was there last week. But brother, what do you mean, when am I going to be down? I have not clocked who you are, I can't lie. I don't have a fucking clue who you are.
You'll get it eventually, man, but you can't at the moment.
Is it Tyler?
No.
I don't know, bro. I ain't even trying to guess, man.
You'll figure it out, man.
Nah, bro, I don't think I'll ever guess who it is.
You will?
Nah, I won't guess. There's a social interaction going on here, that's why we're having to wait. Nah. Now I've not even got any infotainment. Nah, wait. So, 4th and long. That's naughty though, that, innit? Alright. Oh, let me go, man. But I didn't even know who was calling me. I swear to God, I don't have a clue who that was. My battery's gonna run out in a bit. Oh, please let me go there. Thank you. Oh, busy right now.
Yo.
What?
What's your call, flight one?
I don't even know what you're saying. I don't even know what prank you're pulling off.
I'm not pulling a prank, bro. How's your golf GTD?
What, are you here? You behind me or something?
I'm there, man. I'm there. What are you saying? You're in Bradford?
Bro, I'm in Bradford. Bro, I can't lie. You're interrupting my work shift.
Oh, in the video,
Cuzzy, I not got time driving an hour, yeah? Some random bloke, he's not revealing himself to be in my
My name's Abdul Hamid.
I'm gonna have to call you back later or something. I ain't got time. Sorry.
Fucking call me back because I'm getting in a fucking video.
I can't call you back. You're on no number, bro. Matt title this driving instructor visits Bradford. Oh, that's what you know. That's what I title my shorts, bro. If you watch my YouTube shorts, genuinely, you're a loser, bro. Stop creating. You're not gonna get dopamine from a flipping driving videos and Mr. Beast, man. Shut up, man. Their sole purpose is to upset people, because I feel like all the Facebook adults are on there, innit? So if you're genuinely watching my videos, just ignore my whole shorts page. I don't care. It's literally just to spread negativity. I can't. Bro, have you seen some of the comments on my shorts? It's just old people watching me drive my Golf. Look at this now, bro. The heart of Bradford. We're not here for the heart. We're here for a crash. No, obviously I don't want to crash. But that would be convenient. Sunny as well, bro. I doubt you lot can even see anything. You're not even missing out. It's literally no one on the road. Bro, that guy behind me is on my ass, mate. He's literally gonna have a brown nose. Well, it's genuinely nice and soothing, bro, even in the evening. I just feel like there's a lot of prick drivers. Don't get me wrong, there is a lot of twats on the road, specifically in Bradford. But in general, most of the people, majority are genuinely alright. It's just a few, but you notice those few because they're a bit crazy. What's he doing? Oh, sorry. These man fully just park in the road. Wait, they've even left space. How comes they park out and there's still parking space? Okay, maybe not him, but them two. Look at that, bro. Giving everyone way. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Yo, where the fuck did he come from? But if I remember correctly, he came from the other side of the road, mate. Yo, I'm kind of liking the streets, I can't lie. Anytime I hit them, I nearly die. He's even giving me way, man. Thank you very much. There's a couple tips here and there, don't get me wrong. Some of you like do step out of line a little bit. Other than that, it's like generally, it's not even that bad. Comment whatever you want, there's not much more I can do. I can't conduct a crash. If it's good, it's good, it is what it is. Not many violations were committed, apart from running the red light and no number plate, and whacking it on the pavement, and balaclava not showing its face, and doing a wheelie. But other than that, no traffic violations were committed today.